Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make hard icing sugar using an easy method. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This straightforward approach ensures a delicious and firm icing for your cakes and cookies, perfect for any occasion. It's a quick and reliable recipe. Now, let's get mixing. Take your sifted powdered sugar and milk, combining them in a medium bowl. Stir these ingredients together continuously until you achieve a perfectly smooth consistency, ensuring there are no pesky lumps. Finally, incorporate the vanilla extract. This step not only adds a lovely aroma, but also a delightful flavor that truly elevates your hard icing sugar, making it extra special. To achieve that desired hard finish, consistency is key. If your icing isn't firm enough, simply add an extra 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, mixing well after each addition. The goal is for the icing to be thick enough to hold its shape beautifully when you pipe or spread it. If it becomes too thick, just add milk, 1/2 teaspoon at a time, until it's just right. Once your hard icing sugar is ready, it's time to apply it. Make sure your cakes or cookies are completely cooled before spreading or piping the icing. For it to properly harden, allow it to set at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. If you have any delicious leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container. It will stay fresh and ready to use for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.